Good morning, folks. Hope you're having a great day. I just wanted to show you the tomato plants and how they're performing right now. So you see here there are some new flowers. This apparently has been helping when I just shake them like that to try to help them self-pollinate. Ooh, there's more over here. See if I can get that one. But I did that to this cluster here, and look at that. We have some tomatoes. So I think I'm just going to keep doing that because it might be working. Anyhow, I just wanted to keep you updated on how the tomatoes are doing. It's October the 5th right now in Zone 9B of Florida, and these tomatoes are doing just fine. Thanks for watching, and have a good day.